This video is on how to take a quiz in Brightspace while using ReadSpeaker. Begin by navigating to your quiz. Click on the quiz, and then click on Start Quiz. Click on your TextAid browser extension or TextAid Bookmarklet. Click on the 4-arrow icon, which is the Move tool, and drag the Bookmarklet or extension to where you want it on the page. Highlight a question and the answer choices. Click on Listen.
ReadSpeaker TextAid is used to read which of the following tools in Brightspace. Question 1 Options. Discussions, email, quizzes, Dropbox, news.
If the choices are read too fast, then highlight them individually and click Listen. For example,
Email.
select your answer and continue to the next question. Keep repeating the process of highlighting the question, clicking on Listen, and selecting your answer. Once you have completed the quiz, click Submit Quiz. Click Submit Quiz again. Click Done. To turn off the TextAid extension, click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the extension. You now have completed your quiz in Brightspace and can continue with your assignments.